What is the connection between diet and cellular energy pathways? Imagine your body as a busy city, with each cell acting like a tiny power plant. Just like a city needs fuel to keep everything running smoothly, your cells relying on nutrients from your food to produce energy. This energy is what keeps your muscles moving, your brain thinking, and your organs functioning. But how exactly does the food you eat turn into the energy your body needs? Let's break it down. When you eat, your body starts breaking down food into smaller parts. Carbohydrates become sugars like glucose, proteins turn into amino acids, and fats become fatty acids and glycerol. These smaller molecules are then absorbed into your blood and transported to your cells. Inside the cells, these molecules go through a series of processes to generate energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is like the currency your body uses to power all its activities. The first step involves glycolysis, which happens in the cytoplasm of the cell. Here, glucose is split into two molecules called pyruvate, producing a small amount of ATP and some electron carriers. Next, if oxygen is available, pyruvate enters the mitochondria, the cell's energy factories. Inside the mitochondria, pyruvate is transformed into acetyl-CoA, which then feeds into the tricarboxylic acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle. This cycle fully oxidizes acetyl-CoA, releasing carbon dioxide and generating high-energy electron carriers called NADH and FADH2. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, some of which can be converted into molecules that enter the Krebs cycle or glycolysis, contributing to energy production. Fats, on the other hand, are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. The fatty acids undergo a process called beta-oxidation inside the mitochondria, producing acetyl-CoA and electron carriers that also feed into the Krebs cycle. The NADH and FADH2 molecules then donate electrons to the electron transport chain, a series of protein complexes in the inner mitochondrial membrane. As electrons move through this chain, a proton gradient is created across the membrane. This gradient powers an enzyme called ATP synthase, which produces most of the ATP your body uses for energy. Your diet influences these pathways by determining what kind of fuel your cells use most. Eating a diet rich in carbohydrates supplies plenty of glucose for glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. A diet high in fats encourages your body to relying more on fatty acid oxidation. When you fast or eat fewer calories, your body shifts to burn more fat, activating pathways that improve mitochondrial efficiency and even promote the growth of new mitochondria. So, in simple terms, the nutrients from your food are the raw materials that fuel your cells' energy-making processes. The way your body processes these nutrients depends on what you eat, and this directly impacts how much energy your cells can produce. This connection between diet and cellular energy pathways is fundamental to keeping your organs and systems running smoothly every day.